The following video contains content and/or language which may be unsuitable for younger viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Dave Madson Enterprises Inc. presents
Funny signs. Authorized animals.
Staff and authorized animals only beyond this point.
That disqualifies Sam. He's an unauthorized animal. Ha 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 swa 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 ruffle 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 ruffle. Ouch. My crotch. Ow.
That's for stealing my laugh line, you asswipe.
That's for calling me an asswipe, you son of a bitch.
Drive through. Looks like someone drove through it already. Ha 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 ha.
Time of fire. Time of fire? Not me, brother.
That's music to my ears. People dying in fires.
Just like in outer place. Hot 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 hot.
Devil and she-devil, you're under arrest.
What's the charge?
Violating Dave Madson's ban on your appearing in his videos.
Go sphincter.
Officer Flanagan turned the devil and she-devil over to God and his angels, who cleaned the infernal imps out and sent them back to their realm for their ban violation.
Gorilla playing saxophone with balloons at your party. I never heard of a gorilla playing saxophone, let alone also with balloons.
Why not the whole Megillah?
Megillah Gorilla is not for sale.
Only passengers should board the train. You mean they only take one passenger at a time?
That's why they call them only passengers. Only Sam never travels alone, so he can't be an only passenger. Hi 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 swa 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 ruffle 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 ruffle. Ouch! Microsoft Sam, you're fired!
Fired my ass. You rehire me or I'll rescind your ban on the devil and she-devil from appearing in your videos.
Apostate. Ouch! Stop crotch kicking me, you asswipe!
Will you rehire me, or do I send the devil and she-devil after you?
I'll rehire you, but only if you promise not to crotch kick me again.
I promise, Dave.
Good. Next sign, please.
Self-food eatable items are not allowed on campus.
Huh?
Sam City. I'm there. Woo-hoo. This is where I belong.
The folking of Albany. Sam, you're in deep trouble for folking everyone in Albany. Ha 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 swa 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 ruffle 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 ruffle.
Take it easy, Sam. Might doesn't mean it. Remain calm. Oh. Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, damn, crappity, Microsoft, Mike, I'll get you for ever daring to call me a sex freak, you ass white.
Sam! So help me, Sam, when I get out of this hole, you're gonna get it!
Don't get upset over it, Dave. Let's start getting our way out of here before your worms eat our brains.
Later, after Anna and Dave dug their way out of the ground and Dave gave Sam such a hard wedgie that Sam got skid marks.
Skid marks? You.
Bacon rashes, $6.79. Bacon rashes. Do they come with pink-eyed eggs? Ha 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 ha.
Eden Runway. Where pilots go for lunch. Only I wouldn't eat there. Why not, Hank? Sydney ate there last week and suffered Montezuma's revenge all night.
Don't remind me, Hank. You.
Highway 212. Loring, Oregon City. Exit 1 mile. Is it Loring, Oregon City?
No,
Am I keeping you up, Dave?
Abby. That city is really boring.
Feesers starting at $19 a month. What's a feeser?
It's what Dave wears in bed. Raffle.
Stay out of my private life, Sam.
Oh, feasters.
Only front tractor trailers allowed except for deliveries.
As opposed to back tractor trailers.
Mike wanted to drive one, but they rejected him because he's an asswipe. Raffle.
Stay calm, Mike. Sam doesn't mean it. Stay cool. Oh. Tantrum. Coming on now.
No, damn it, Microsoft Sam, I forbid you to call me an asswipe ever again, you hear me, you son of a bitch.
Oh, feasters, planted in the ground again.
Sam, when will you ever get rid of that fucking habit of calling me an asswipe, when you know for a fact I never have been one?
Sorry, Mike. I just keep slipping into one bad habit after another.
You'll get over it, Sam. Let's get our way out of here.
Later, after Mary and Sam dug their way out of the ground.
Helium? Almost as rare as a unicorn fart.
I didn't know unicorns farted.
Good. Mike, go clean yourself up. Oh. I spoke too soon again.
Later, after Anna and Mike cleaned themselves up.
I'm from White Dwarf Phone Rates. Nope, not here. $1. Just missing. $2.
Just had one drink and left. $3. Hasn't been in all day. $4.
Never heard of him. $5.
This bar has been shut down permanently. It was closed under threats from angry wives threatening to call divorce lawyers.
Little Hope Street. Abandon hope. All ye who take this street.
If we went down this street, where would we end up?
Does this answer your question? Learn out and house being the show.
We meet again, Dave Madson and friends.
Ban violation! I call ban violation on the devil and she-devil. Officer Flanagan, get us out of here fast and take these infernal malefactors to God's country.
Is your raffle copter ready, Sam?
All aboard. We're getting out of here. Oh
no, you don't. You're not getting away this time.
And don't you dare call on the Almighty either.
What about the ban violation?
Fuck your ban violation, Dave Madson.
Under threat of East Rufflica invading West Rufflica and La La Land and imposing martial law, we had the ban rescinded.
Those shyster lawyers you hired are gonna get!
What's going on here?
Are these infernal imps bothering you again?
They have your nerve, using shyster lawyers from East Rufflica to rescind your ban and they're appearing in your videos.
You outrage us, by the white.
We should have laid claim on you before the Almighty could.
Too late, you mongrels. The minute you killed I forbade you from claiming his soul. We had no choice but to offer an ultimatum.
Agree to rescind Dave Madson's ban against us and turn over God to us, or East Rufflica claims West Rufflica and La La Land and we should haul over Dave Madson and his friends.
Disgusting.
If you storm Dave and his friends, you will both feel the wrath of God and will deny that it's scandalous.
That's far enough, perjurer. Let's get them, she-devil.
Mom's away.
Yeah, you filth. You. I agree with you.
You'll get yours for this. You. Ew!
There is no justification for this.
No matter where you are, your laws will never be above God's laws.
Take that, you infernal garbage dumpers. country again. Bye, this is all you're doing and I curse you for this. Curse, 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 curse.
I agree with this. Curse, 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 curse.
Your cursing is in vain because God already owns me.
Which means you can't touch him.
And you're both getting scrubbed inside and out. God cleaned up the devil and she-devil, while Guy the White and Angela the Angel cleaned up Beulah, Abby and Dave and rescued them and their friends from Satan's kingdom. Curses. Foiled again. They have an unfair advantage over us.
One day we will own Dave Madson and his friends for real.
Sore losers, yes, yes, profits, no. I wish it were the other way around. And my ass hurts so bad. Ouch.
Say no more. So does mine.
So will you call off East Rothlika's threatened attack on West Rothlika and La La Land?
Yes, but only if Dave Madson agrees to rescind his ban against our appearing in his videos.
You drive a hard bargain, Lucifer.
Will you rescind the ban? It's the only way to avert an East Rothlika takeover.
Okay, I'll rescind the ban, but I may regret this someday.
Don't worry, Dave. We'll always be here to protect you against these netherworld nebushes.
Oh, Caesars.
We will no longer accept money out of undergarments.
Money in undergarments? Now I know what they mean by dirty money.
In undergarments. Sick. Gross. Ew. Ew.
Stairs trap. Is that anything like a rat trap?
Just when we thought we were winning the rat race, along come faster rats.
Next sign.
Stop, collaborate and listen. One person stops.
Another one collaborates. Others listen.
If only one of them speaks.
Watch out for bugs.
You just can't trust those screwy rabbits.
Road work ahead. End road work.
The world's shortest work zone.
So where do we go from here?
I have the answer. Sam's Rafflecopter.
Good thinking. Dave.
I hope it works this time. All aboard. We are taking off.
Update. East and West Rothlika have agreed to sign a truce and have also agreed to recognize La La Land's right to exist.
Funny Signs is sponsored in part by the Blitz Experience, the place to learn defensive football tactics, and also by Shame on You, where humiliated people hang out.
This has been a Dave Madson Enterprises Inc. production.